Hello everyone, Cyberhawk over here. Today I'm just going to show you how you can install the TraceLab OSINT VM. So basically what that is, it's a OSINT VM which is specifically designed to run your OSINT tool, which you use for various type of reconnaissance and gathering investigations, that sort of stuff. Trace Labs is one of the best OSINT VM that is actually comes with all type of the tools that you need for your OSINT task. So first of all, you go to this website, which is the tracelabs.org. That gives you this VM image. So once you come to your home page, then you go into the resources and then you click on OSINT VM. This will take to their GitHub repository. Basically, there is a like two steps through which you can install that OSINT VM. So OSINT VM runs on based on the Kali Linux operating system. So either you can just download the OVA file, which is the complete set of tool with the operating system from the GitHub repository, or another way to do that, if you already have your Kali Linux that running and you want to have the tools installed for that OSINT VM, you can just go over here and fetch that script and modify that script and then run it. This will actually install all the OSINT tools on your already installed Kali Linux machine. But today, what we're going to do that we're just gonna use the OVA. That is the pre-built VM with all the tools and the operating system. So you just click on this OVA download link. It will take you to the Google Drive. You will see the download over here. You click on the download button and start downloading. In my case, I have already downloaded it, so I'm just gonna skip that part. So once you download it, then you go to your VMware workstation or your EXI. I'm just gonna install that in my EXI host. So once I'm in my EXI host, I'm just gonna click on this click register VM. Click over here. We're just gonna drop the OVA. I'm just gonna select next over here, and now I'm going to fetch that OVA file, which is in my downloads folder. And I'm gonna drag and drop it over here. So if I drop it, you can see that it comes up as a TL, which is the TraceLab OSINT 2025 VM machine. I'm just gonna write it down the name as TL OSINT, which is TraceLab OSINT. Next, then you select which data store that you wanna put in. I got a two data store, like whatever data store you wanna put in, you can just put in. I'm just gonna put in over here. All the other configuration like a RAM, CPU, that sort of stuff is already pre-configured because this is a OVA machine. And now you can pretty much select the network that you want to put on. I'm just selected the network and then I'm just gonna hit finish. What it does that it will like start importing that OVA file into your EXI host. Let it run. The second way that you can do with the VMware workstation, of which I will make a video later on, but let's just keep this one going for now, like upload that in an EXI host, and I will then show you how you can use that machine. Okay, so here we can see that it's like 98% uploaded. Okay, it's all finished now. Right. So now we go back to our virtual machines. Over here, we can see that this is already being like uploaded and powered on. So we just click on over here and click over here, and we can see that it start booting up. It's already boot up. So let's open that up in a new tab. And for your information, for the pre-built VM that you're gonna download and as an OVA file and install in your VMware or a VirtualBox or EXI host. The password and username is OSINT. That you can also confirm that over here in your GitLab. Uh, If you go back, yeah, over here you can see that the login credentials. That's over here. So the tools like for the note taking, they used Obsidian. The application, the list of the applications over here, that is comes up with the pre-built or the script that you're gonna run. It will gonna install all these applications. So I can see this one is pretty new. TikTok scrapper, that comes as a social media. That's gonna be like really handy tool. I think they recently added that. And the really good thing is the configuration setting for the Firefox. It's gonna select, delete all the cookies and history on a shutdown. So whenever you're going to shut down your VM, it will gonna delete that, block geo tracking, block mic and camera detection, block Firefox tracking, and pre-board OSINT bookmarks. So there are set of bookmarks that I will show you over here. That is comes as a pre-built. So this is how the OSINT VM looks like. Just to note that this VM is purely to use for your OSINT investigations. So when you're done with your OSINT investigation, make sure you always reboot or you shut down this VM. Do not keep it running all the time. So once you're done with your investigation, whatever case you are working on, make sure you go and reboot it from here, or you like turn that off. So if I come back over here in the Firefox, and if we go into the bookmark, expand that, and we can see these are the bookmarks that we need for our OSINT, like Shodan, sensors. These are all the internet scanning tools. And have I been phone checking with your email address breach or whatever, virus total. And there's a trace lab CTF as well. Like you, if you wanna do the capture the flag, that sort of stuff. If I go here and if I go into the all applications, you can see that all the application that we just checked onto the over here in the list, that is over here. Maltego is one of the best OSINT application that you use. So I will make a new video like about these tools, like how you're gonna use these tools and how you can run your OSINT investigations. But for now, this video is just mainly focused on how you can install that um, OSINT pre-built VM in your environment, so you can carry on with your OSINT investigation. Make sure you follow my channel, Cyberhawk Consultancy, and I will share more content related to the cybersecurity in my upcoming videos. Make sure to subscribe my channel. Thank you.